Did you know that eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? But what happens to your body when you make them a daily staple? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Today, we're cracking open a hot topic, literally. What happens when you eat eggs every day? You might be surprised by the mind-blowing results. So, whether you're a breakfast enthusiast or just curious about nutrition, stick around because we're about to scramble some myths and unveil the truth about eggs. First up, let's talk about nutrition. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients. Just one large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and selenium. Choline is particularly important for brain health and development. In fact, studies suggest that adequate choline intake can improve cognitive function. So, if you're looking to boost your brain power, eggs might just be your new best friend. Now, let's discuss weight management. Eggs are incredibly filling. Eating eggs for breakfast can help you feel satisfied longer, which may lead to consuming fewer calories throughout the day. Research has shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to lose more weight compared to those who eat bagels. This is due to eggs' high protein content, which helps regulate hunger hormones. So, if you're trying to shed a few pounds, adding eggs to your morning routine could be a game changer. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cholesterol. Eggs have been unfairly demonized for their cholesterol content, with one large egg containing about 186 milligrams of cholesterol. However, recent studies indicate that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs can actually increase levels of HDL, the good cholesterol. But, as always, moderation is key. If you have specific health concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. While eggs have many benefits, it's important to consider potential risks. For some individuals, especially those with diabetes or existing heart conditions, consuming eggs in excess may not be advisable. Additionally, how you prepare your eggs matters. Frying them in unhealthy oils or pairing them with processed meats can negate their health benefits. Opt for boiling, poaching, or scrambling with veggies for a nutritious meal. Now, let's get to the mind-blowing benefits of eating eggs every day. Number 1 is it improve eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect your eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of cataracts. Number 2 is it enhance brain function. As we mentioned earlier, the choline in eggs supports brain health and may improve memory. Number 3 it promotes stronger bones. The vitamin D in eggs is essential for calcium absorption, promoting strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 4 it boosts immune system. The selenium in eggs plays a critical role in immune function, helping your body fend off illnesses. So, what's the verdict? Eating eggs every day can offer a plethora of health benefits, from weight management to improved brain function. Just remember, balance and moderation are key. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. And tell us in the comments, how do you like your eggs? Scrambled, poached, or sunny side up? Until next time, stay healthy and keep cracking those eggs.